Good morning, good morning. I am getting ready to step out, and I've had my hair in these 2-strand twists for one day. And I just want to say thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for all that you do. By now, you know how much I appreciate you, but I cannot stop letting you know that. I really appreciate you. Your comments in the morning. This morning was so awe-inspiring to me and motivating. And I want to say thank you. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. There's an open invitation for you to join. Go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Now, when I put these 2-strand twists in, I asked you to tell me what else I could probably do with my hair. Instead, one of my subscribers said, I can't wait to see what you do with your 2-strand twist. So, this morning, I'm just going to try to do something really quick with this hair of mine before I leave for the day. Bear with me, guys, because this is really like an impromptu hairstyle. I think this is what I'm doing. Well, this is what I'm doing, and I don't really know how it is going to turn out. I can't even find that pin.
There we go with that. That's loose hairs.
This one just does not want to stay. Maybe I am putting too many things together. Therefore, I'm going to take this one . That seems a little bit more secure. Then I will take this one . I'm just going to try to make sure that everything in the back is secure. I don't like to be able to feel the pins. Look at that. I'm going to take a look and see what this looks like. And this may be my hairstyle for the day. I think I like that. I'm going to leave it alone. It is, I'm just going to call it that. Less is more. I could have put this one back in the bag. And if I tuck that one, I'm going to show you what that looks like as well. I think I am going to go ahead and tuck this one. And then just let the side ones and that one in the back hang. I think I like this. And I hope you do too. Now, I went through that for you, because you said you can't wait to see what I do with my 2-strand twist. I want you to have a wonderful day, because this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. He's been so good to me. He's put some people in my life that I don't know personally, but they make their comments personal to me. You've encouraged me, you're motivating me, and you're showing me love, the love of God that lives within us. And I just want to say thank you. And thank you, God, for the people that you have given me and placed in my circle. Have a great day. And this is my 360. Enjoy your day.